In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to all contacts in Getresponse. Let's start from the main dashboard of your Getresponse account. Once you're logged in, look for the menu option labeled Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps most of the features you'll use for your campaigns. Hover over or click on Tools, and from the list that appears, choose Email Marketing. This section is dedicated to creating and managing the emails you send to your subscribers. Inside the email marketing area, you'll see an option to Create Newsletter. Go ahead and click that. A newsletter in Getresponse is essentially a standard email campaign that you can send to one or more lists. This is exactly what we want for emailing all of your contacts at once. After clicking Create Newsletter, you'll be taken to a setup screen. One of the first things you'll need to do is choose who will receive this email. Look for the button that says Add Recipients and click it. This is where you select the audience for your message. To send the email to everyone in your account, find the checkbox labeled All Lists. When you check this box, Getresponse will automatically include every contact from all of your email lists. If, for some reason, you don't see that option or you prefer more control, you can manually select each list one by one. Just be sure you've included all the lists you actually want to reach. It's also a good idea to quickly double-check that there aren't any test lists or old segments you don't want to send to. Once your recipients are set, confirm your selection, and then move on to designing your message. Click on Design Message. Getresponse will now show you a gallery of templates. You can pick a template that matches the style of your brand or the purpose of your email, whether that's a simple announcement, a newsletter-style layout, or a promotional message. After choosing a template, customize the content. Update the subject line, add your text, images, and links, and make sure everything looks clear and professional. Keep in mind how it will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. When you're happy with your design, click Next. This will take you to a final review screen. Here, you can quickly check your recipients, subject line, and email content one more time. If everything looks good, click Send Message. Your email will then be sent out to all the contacts you selected using the lists you chose earlier.